Hi guys, today I will teach you how to SEO on your Fiverr Gig and how to rank your Fiverr Gig in 2021. So I have created two gigs recently. This gig I have created it about 15 minutes ago. So I will teach how to rank your gig on the first page, first search of fiverr.com. So and you can check here: zero impression, zero click, zero order, and zero cancellations. Means I have created this about um, within in 20 or 30 minutes. So I will check it first. That click search. We will search five basic math concepts. This is a keyword. I will search for this, and this is my gig that I have already created about 30 minutes ago. So how to SEO, I will teach you the tricks that I have created. So I have created this gig by searching basic math. I have copied this one, and as I have said, I will search here, paste here and search it. So you will get some tags here. So search respective tags. So you will get the number of service available on fiverr.com, and also the number of competitors. So you choose the best and the lowest competitor tags from and tag you on your gigs. So I have created I have typed here help in basic math just, and this is automatically recommended category, that online tutoring. Also the gig metadata is, I have chosen these three basic math, discrete math, and pre-calculus. Also I have chosen these tags by searching these tags. So search for this and right click and open a new tab. So you will check the you will get the number of competitors and also the service available gigs. So choose the minimest competitors of the available services. So I have chosen the minimest competition 5 tags: basic mathematics, basic math teachers, math problems, mathematics and calculus. I have saved and continued. Also these I have placed my package here, so it will depend on your service. And also I have typed the descriptions here. So be carefully. One is important, that all these tags should be included in these descriptions. So be carefully. I have write it basic math, which is in my this tags. This check here, this basic math is also I have typed in descriptions. So I have write it many times, basic math 1 here, and also basic math. So also basic mathematics. So many time I have write it and saved and continued. and just typed the requirements here and also put the high quality images here, so you will get the search result you so check it, and it is 100% working in 2021. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.